Oh, it's getting cold. Okay, look. You see on the camera lens? Sorry, it's really reflective, but you see that sliver?
Yeah.
That's it through the camera. Let me get closer.
Oh, cool.
Hold on. Whoa. Oh no, I'm losing it.
Stabilize. Cool.
Okay, one sec, let me call you back.
Okay.
Look on the camera.
Wow. Do it again.
I'm trying. Okay, there it is. You see on the camera?
That's pretty awesome.
It's about to go.
Wow.
Okay, bye. Damn. I lost it. Damn. Dang, it actually is getting dark. Whoa, it's full. It's so close to being in the hole.
Whoa.
That's crazy.
It's Treasure Planet.
I'm getting the shivers.
Oh
No.
my gosh, they're almost kissing. Yeah. Oh.
Damn.
They're just doing it.
Damn.
Oh, they're kissing. Oh.
No, I'm getting the shivers.
No, Will's getting cold.
It's so cold.
Ring.
Damn. I need to look at it with my bare eyes.
Oh my god, Mom. Shut up.
Whoa. Whoa.
The hole in the sun.
The hole in the sky. Yeah. Okay, calling you back. It's leaving. You see it? It's leaving.
It's leaving.
Okay, bye. It's leaving.
Did you tell it to stay?
No,
Tell it to stay. See what happens.
I would never. Let's see how many watts we're getting. We're getting 29 watts. Normally, full sun, we're getting 300. Uh-oh.
What the hell? Oh my god.
That's the rotation of the Earth.
No way, yeah.
Toenail. Full toenail right now.
Oh my god. Weird looking toenail. Going full toenail, everyone. Going full
My
toenail.
my toenail looks like that.
You guys are crazy.
Solar eclipse 2023, August or October 14th.